Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest home and garden essentials. Today, we're diving into something that's been a game-changer for indoor and outdoor decor enthusiasts alike. The Yzerel ceiling hooks for hanging plants. If you're looking to spruce up your living space with some greenery or add a touch of elegance to your garden, you're in for a treat. Now, these hooks aren't your average hardware store find. They're crafted from durable iron, boasting a sleek white finish that complements any decor style, whether modern or classic. What sets these apart is their versatility. From hanging planters and bird feeders to lanterns and wind chimes, the possibilities are endless. Let's talk specs. Each hook can hold up to a whopping 50 pounds, ensuring stability and strength for whatever you choose to suspend from them. Installation? A breeze. They come with everything you need, including 6 mounting screws per bracket. Whether you're setting them up indoors in your living room or outdoors on your patio, they're designed to withstand the elements. Users rave about their sturdiness and ease of use. No wonder they're Amazon's choice for outdoor hanging brackets. Picture this: transforming your balcony into a lush oasis or adding a whimsical touch to your garden path. These hooks blend seamlessly into any setting, enhancing your space without overpowering it. Plus, they're backed by a promise of quality from Yzerel, a brand known for its commitment to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best hanging plant hooks indoor or outdoor, look no further than the Yzerel ceiling hooks. They're affordable, stylish, and built to last. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these hooks will elevate your decor game. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Drop your questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time with another exciting product review. Until then, happy decorating!